Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unban your Spike account. So if your account has been banned from Spike and you want to unban or activate your account, what you can do is just come to the official website of spikenowwebs.com, and after you open up this website, simply scroll down till the end, and from here simply click on this contact us button, and then this is going to show you this page where you need to fill up your full name, your work email, your company name, and all of these details. And then on this last box simply tell that enter that your account has been banned, and then tell the reason why you believe that it was invalid or unreasonable to ban your account. And once you tell all of your reasons, simply click on this submit button, and if you are lucky they will unban your account. And if you don't get any response from them, invalid reason, and then once they see your message, I believe they will unban your account. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.